So can I? Neither can I. So am I? Neither am I. Welcome back to Lingoni English. My name is Emily. Do you know the difference between sentences that use neither, either, and so? Well, if you don't worry. I'll clear that up in this video. Let's get started. Yesterday, I told my sister that I like the show Pose. She said, "So do I." This means she also likes the show. We both like the show. Last weekend, I went to the movies and saw The Fast and the Furious. After the movie, I told my brother I didn't like that movie. He said, "Neither did I." That means both of us did not like the movie. So, what those sentences show you is that we use "so do I" to say a positive sentence is also true for you, and we use "neither do I" to show that a negative sentence is also true for you. So, another example. Sandra says, "I like spicy curry." I say, "So do I." That means we both like spicy curry. My mom said, "I don't like whiskey." I said, "Neither do I." We both don't like whiskey. Neither of us like whiskey. Also, you can pronounce neither two ways, neither or neither. They both mean the same thing, and we use them interchangeably. There's no grammar rule of when to use which one. Neither, neither. This also goes for either. Either, either. But more about that in just a second. Although we typically use neither to reply to someone in a conversation, you can also say it in one sentence yourself. Here's an example. Alan doesn't like country music, and neither do I. Or, Heather likes yoga, and so do I. So, what if the sentence you're saying isn't in the present simple? Don't worry, there are a lot of different ways to use so and neither in different verb tenses. Let's take a look at some examples. Present simple. Use do or does. Matthew and Joel like coffee. So does Courtney. Sarah doesn't eat meat, and neither do I. The present simple with be. Use is, am, or are. Sarah is a vegetarian, and so am I. Gabby said, "I'm not very patient," and I said, "Neither am I." In the present continuous, use is, am, or are. She's not going to the party. Neither am I. He's eating pizza for dinner. So are we. In the past simple, use did. I went to the grocery store this morning. So did my husband. I didn't watch the movie. Neither did she. In the past simple with be, use was or were. Zoe was sleepy last night. So was I. Kimberly was not at the restaurant. Neither was Logan. In the present perfect, use have or has. They've been to the beach. So have I. They haven't eaten at the restaurant. Neither have we. For the future simple, use will. They'll be in class later. So will we. They won't be at the party. Neither will we. Also, in sentences with modal verbs, you simply repeat the modal verb. Have a look at these examples. Children shouldn't drink coffee. Neither should pregnant women. Jane would like a piece of cake. So would Nancy. I can't speak Swahili. Neither can Brian. One last thing. There's another way to agree with a negative statement. You can use either. Here's how that works. Sam didn't like the film festival. I didn't either. Franz can't eat seafood, and his brother can't either. They're both allergic to it. If someone says, I don't have any money, I could say, I don't have any money either. Note that with either, we need a negation in front of it. For example, shouldn't, can't, don't, etc. So the sentence, Sandra doesn't eat meat, and neither do I, can be changed to, Sandra doesn't eat meat, and I don't either. I can't speak Swahili. Neither can Brian. You can change that to, I can't speak Swahili, and Brian can't either. She's not going to the party, and neither am I. Can be changed to, she's not going to the party, and I'm not going either. One last thing, just like with neither or neither, you can pronounce it either or either. There's no real rule on when to do it, and most native speakers use both pronunciations. All right, so that's it for this video of so, neither, and either. In the comments below, why don't you try to write a few sentences using these words? Thanks for watching Lingoni English. On our app, we've got tons more videos, vocab trainings, podcasts, and exercises to help you improve your English. We'll see you there. Bye.